Grace, everyone. Good health, goodwill, a good appetite, good manners, good behavior, all success and all prosperity, life, liberty, and the reality of happiness. These and all other blessings, we actually have them. Not only have them psychologically, mentally, or spiritually, but we have them economically. We have them socially. We have them financially. And from every other angle expressible. Because God is actually present, and the spirit of the consciousness of the presence of God is the source of all supply. You may look over this vast audience and observe the vastness in quantity of it. But you cannot observe the quality of this audience. A quality of virginity, of virtue, and of holiness, such as no man can produce. You may observe, apparently, the abundance of the material blessing, and you may wonder, how can these things be? But as it was 1900 years ago, it is, has been, and will be. Aren't you glad? For the consciousness of God's presence in thanksgiving and giving praises actually satisfies every good desire and increases them, and by your praise they are multiplied. This is a matter of course with us. As I started to say a little while ago, this is apparently a vast audience, as you know. But when you stop to consider, it is this way in many other places, right here in this city of brotherly love, the home and cradle of democracy, and the county and country seat of the world. Oh, I have declared, as it is right here, so shall it be someday all over this wide extended land. And none shall lack in God's abundance, for I have a full and a plenty for all. Why live in lacks, wants, and limitations? Why live in a constant state of poverty, soliciting, stealing, and begging, when the spirit of the consciousness of God's presence is truly the source of all supply. If you will but be conscious of God's presence and realize the significance of it, you will find that your desires are satisfied and bountifully supplied. For this cause we do rejoice and we are glad. The time cometh and is near at hand. You will not have beggars and solicitors and thieves and robbers all over your city and state and country. I shall prove to the world conclusively crime does not pay. And it is more blessed to give than to receive. Can you not see the mystery? And with this concept of the truth, as you live it and put it into expression, of your peace and of your increase, there shall be no end. Then I say, live in the consciousness of God's presence, and let this mind be in you that is in me. A mind over matter, a mind over materiality, a mind over carnality, a mind over lacks, wants, and limitations, a mind over adverse and undesirable conditions, a mind that has the mastery over all of those conditions, being the master of omnipotency and the controller of its own destiny. Now let us live in this recognition and just vision and realize the good and know within yourself that which is deemed evil will have no longer an existence. For just as it is with me and with mine, as we continue to contagionize the atmosphere in which we live with the abundance of the fullness of the consciousness of good, and find no space vacant of the fullness thereof, others will also vision the same and will be reproducers thereof. But at this instance, I think I will refrain from speaking. For I did not arise to speak at the instant. I merely arose to give our visiting guests and visiting friends a chance to speak. For at times when strangers come in your midst and desire to speak, unless they are invited to speak, in other words, given the privilege to speak, they may think you do not want them to speak. but feel free in this and these and all other audiences over which I preside to speak even as we do, for we believe in democracy and we put it into action. Americanism, Christianity, democracy, and Judaism, I have made them synonymous, and I shall universalize them, for they shall be established from shore to shore and from land to land, and one shall not be without the other. I thank you. I thank you.